Welcome back to Road Warriors, your trusted destination for everything on wheels. Today, we are exploring one of the most awaited SUVs of the year, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N Z6. Mahindra has once again struck a powerful balance between rugged utility and refined design, making this variant an appealing option for those seeking performance, comfort, and value in a single package. The Z6 variant slots perfectly in the middle of the Scorpio N lineup, offering key features without the premium price tag of higher trims. The exterior of the Scorpio N Z6 immediately commands attention. With its upright stance, bold chrome-accented grille, sculpted hood, and high-mounted LED DRLs, this SUV looks like it's ready to conquer any terrain. The sharp character lines running along the side, the squared-off wheel arches, and the robust skid plates all contribute to a commanding presence. Offered in striking color options like Napoli Black, Deep Forest, and dazzling silver, the Scorpio N Z6 easily holds its own whether parked outside a corporate office or tackling rugged hill roads. Powering the Z6 is Mahindra's trusted 2.2-liter mHawk diesel engine, which churns out 172.45 brake horsepower and up to 400 Nm of torque with the automatic transmission. Buyers can choose between a 6-speed manual and a 6-speed automatic, both tuned for smooth performance and fuel efficiency. While it comes with a rear-wheel drive setup, its torque delivery and suspension tuning give it excellent handling for both urban and semi-off-road conditions. Whether it's a long highway drive or daily city traffic, the Scorpio N Z6 delivers a confident and composed driving experience. Inside, the Z6 variant offers a dual-tone interior that blends practicality with premium appeal. The cabin is spacious and designed for comfort, with ample legroom and headroom for all three rows. The front seats are well bolstered, and the rear seats offer good visibility and comfort even during long journeys. Mahindra has included a range of creature comforts like a touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, an electric sunroof that brightens the cabin, automatic climate control, and a height-adjustable driver seat. Soft-touch materials on the dashboard and doors add a touch of elegance, while the multifunction steering wheel and digital instrument cluster give it a modern feel. Safety is another area where the Scorpio N Z6 shines. It holds a 5-star safety rating from Global NCAP and includes key features like dual front airbags, electronic stability control, rear parking sensors, ABS with EBD, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. These additions make it a secure choice for families without compromising on performance or design. In conclusion, the 2025 Mahindra Scorpio N Z6 offers an excellent blend of style, power, and practicality. It is ideal for those who want a well-equipped SUV that can handle a variety of driving needs without pushing into the high-end budget bracket. Whether you are